When considering how best to prepare for retirement, two of the most popular investment vehicles are the Roth IRA and the 401k. Each offers unique benefits, tax advantages, and potential drawbacks, making it essential to understand their differences and determine which option aligns best with your financial goals and circumstances. A 401k is an employer-sponsored retirement plan that allows employees to contribute a portion of their paycheck directly into an investment account, often with the added incentive of employer matching. Contributions to a traditional 401k are made with pre-tax dollars, meaning the money is taken out of your paycheck before taxes are applied. This reduces your taxable income for the year, potentially lowering your overall tax bill. Over time, your investments grow tax-deferred, allowing your savings to compound without being diminished by annual taxes on gains or dividends. However, when you withdraw funds from your 401k in retirement, those distributions are treated as ordinary income and taxed accordingly. In contrast, a Roth IRA is an individual retirement account that you can open independently, regardless of your employer. Contributions to a Roth IRA are made with after-tax dollars, so there is no immediate tax benefit when you contribute. The key advantage of a Roth IRA lies in its tax-free growth and withdrawals. Once money is in your Roth IRA, all future growth and qualified withdrawals are completely tax-free, provided you meet certain requirements, such as being at least 59 and a half years old and having held the account for at least 5 years. One major consideration is how each plan fits your current and expected future tax situation. If you expect to be in a higher tax bracket during retirement, the Roth IRA's tax-free withdrawals may offer significant savings. On the other hand, if you anticipate being in a lower tax bracket after you retire, the 401k's upfront tax deduction may be more beneficial, as you'll pay less tax on withdrawals later. Another difference is contribution limits. In 2025, the contribution limit for a 401k is significantly higher, allowing you to put away up to $23,000 annually if you're under 50, and $3,500 if you're 50 or older. Roth IRAs, meanwhile, have a much lower limit, $6,500 per year, or $7,500 if you're 50 or older. This means a 401k can help you build a larger nest egg more quickly, especially if you're able to take full advantage of employer matching contributions. Speaking of employer matching, this is a powerful benefit exclusive to 401k plans. Many employers will match a percentage of your contributions, effectively giving you free money toward your retirement. Maximizing this match is often the wisest first step, as it's an immediate return on your investment. Roth IRAs do not offer employer matching, as they are not linked to your employment. Both accounts have rules around withdrawals and penalties. With a 401k, early withdrawals before age 59 and a half typically incur a 10% penalty, plus taxes owed on the amount withdrawn. Roth IRAs offer more flexibility. You can withdraw your original contributions, though not your earnings, at any time without taxes or penalties. However, withdrawing earnings before age 59 and a half or before the account has been open for 5 years can result in taxes and penalties. There are also considerations around income eligibility. High-income earners may be restricted from contributing directly to a Roth IRA, while there are no income limits for contributing to a 401k. This makes the 401k a critical tool for high earners who want to save aggressively for retirement. In summary, the best choice depends on your personal financial situation, retirement goals, and tax outlook. Many financial experts recommend contributing enough to your 401k to maximize employer matching, then funding a Roth IRA if you're eligible. Ultimately, a diversified approach combining both account types may provide the most tax-efficient path to a secure retirement. Take the time to assess your needs, consult with a financial advisor, and choose the strategy that sets you up for long-term success.